Good morning to everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Nahalakshmi, Assistant Professor of EC Department in Sri Shanmuga College of Engineering and Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the basics of embedded system and the IoT design, that is Internet of Things, and how they are useful in day-to-day life and the future challenges. So everything is discussed in this topic. First of all, embedded system. Before that, we know about the embedded processor. So embedded processor is a processor that is used in the embedded system. So an embedded system is a computer system that is designed to perform a specific task within a larger system. So it is used to control the operation of the device. So before that, we know about the embedded system. It is the combination of software and hardware part. So we move to the understanding part of the embedded system and the Internet of Things and the importance of embedded system that is used in our daily life and where they are used and connected technologies in modern life and some applications. So where it is used for example in home and industries and healthcare and medical systems and satellite segments. So everything the embedded system is placed and they are utilized huge in day-to-day life. So first of all, so it is typically found in devices that require real-time processing capabilities, such as some industrial control system, automotive system, and consumer equipments. So the everything is utilized in the embedded system. So it is used to be a small and a low power and efficient for this embedded system and also designed to be reliable and to operate for a long time without failure. So these are some advantages present in this embedded system and why it is used and what is an embedded system. So it is a special purpose computer designed for specific functions. For example, if we are sensing in a particular area or sensing a particular segment, if it is working or not working, if needs some energy or if needs some control, so that is the kind we have to use this embedded system for that specific function that can be used in this embedded part. So the combination of hardware and software to control the entire process and the operation and some key features of this embedded system. It is used for day-to-day real-time operations and it is very low power utilization is the main advantages and the reliability. Some examples of the embedded system: home appliances such as washing machine and microwave ovens and smart fan and smart watches. Everything is used in embedded system. Automatic process for executing the specific function and a specific application part only. So not a general. It will be connected if the smart home is need, if the entire process will be connected to the Internet of Things, that is IoT. If you control your entire home, that will be connected to the IoT segment. Here the embedded system is used only for the specific function and the specific task to be executed. Then we are using the automotive control units and infotainment systems in the vehicle system. We are using this automotive control and medical monitoring devices and industrial controllers. For example, for medical monitoring, pulse detecting and patient monitoring segment. So everything is under the process of our embedded system and industrial controllers. We are huge applications that can be placed in the embedded part. Then what is IoT? That is Internet of Things. In the previous segment, we have discussed about the specific applications and specific tasks. The entire task will be connected through the IoT, that is a network of connected devices that collect, share and act on data. So the specific function can be connected to the Internet of Things. So it integrated sensors, microcontrollers and communication modules. So everything is present and to communicate through the Internet of Things. So for example, smart homes, wearable devices and connected cars, so automotive systems, airbag systems and patient monitoring systems. So everything is controlled through the IoT. There is Internet of Things system architecture. Here only we have to discuss the layers, that is perception layers that can be connected for the sensors and actuators, and network layers. It will be connecting to the communication protocol for sending and receiving for the signals or information or any data that can be used by the network layers, and processing layers, that is the data analysis and the decision making for application layer, that is using to interface the users and monitoring the entire segment. So the design process, there is to be first of all find out the problem and how to get the solution by using this IoT, and the system goal to utilize the embedded and IoT for execute the entire process within the short time period, and select appropriate hardware and microcontrollers and develop embedded software by using C, C++ or Python, integrate communication, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and test, optimize and deploy. So these are some design process present in the IoT design, and some challenges and future trends. Security purpose, it is very good application for security and interoperability and energy efficiency. The trends, edge computing, AI integration and 5G connectivity and beyond the 5G, and future system will be smarter and more autonomous by using this embedded system and IoT design. At the end of the part, the conclusion of the today presentation is embedded systems are the foundation of IoT device. So they enable smart, connected and efficient technologies. The future depends on creative and secure system design for using this embedded and IoT. Thank you.